Day 38. Me and Kyle are going to Shazza Rooney's house. We're going to Shazza's to go get a couch. What are you doing?
I'm going to finish my sprinklers and put the plants in the ground.
Oh, that was your real hair. I thought it was a hair hanging off a hat. Yeah, so we're going to, where are we going? Shazza's house. Alright, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, my plan is to do my sprinklers today, but the lawn's pretty long. And then I'll just time that too, and I'll do the ones along here. Alright, moment of truth. Tip these sprinklers. It's good, 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 good. He's pointing up a bit. That's great. I'm guessing ants have gotten there already. Yes, look, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but there's a little ant butt sticking out of that. There we go. Just going to put another tree, one here and one on the other side of the shed, but let's go get some more trees.
So me and Kyle just picked up the trailer, didn't we? So then we just picked up Harlan and Shazza. And now we're at the service so they can get money out. We're heading over to get a couch, aren't we? And then we're going to take it back to Shazza's, take it upstairs, and then we got told they got a baby magpie, so they want to show us the magpie. So we'll see you soon. Kyle, is it tight? Ready to go? Alright, let's get out of here. Harlan's done the flick of approval. Just untying the couch. Emma's at home, doing gardening. Should go home and mow the lawn, actually. Oh, that was tight. We just found a bird in. I just got attacked. Yeah, we're moving couches. She got attacked by the mum. Bark, bark. This little birdie.
I smell daisy bean.
Gonna get swooped. What are you guys doing on the couch? What's up, G? Let's go, Kyle. I have an addiction to buy. I go and say one monster truck, next second I find more, but we don't own, so we buy them all. So we're off to McDonald's, aren't we? Yeah. We're off to McDonald's, and then we're going to then we're going home to talk to Mummy and tell her that we spent $107 on toys we don't need. But at the end of the day, what else are you going to spend your money on?
I bought this for the shed, and I'm not sure if I got the instructions, read the description right, but it's meant to work even when the sun is shining, right? when I read the box, it seems more like it doesn't. It's not going to work when the sun is shining. So anyway, I don't know. We'll soon find out. So I'll put it up. Might just run the cord through here. Why is everything being so difficult today? Right. So, a little solar panel. Don't know how weatherproof it's going to be, if it's a USB plug. Oops, throw him up there. Alright, now whatever I've done, it doesn't work at all. I don't know. Well, I think it's not going to work. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. Might plant this guy. We'll give these all a quick water. Look how big they are now. These are nice. Get rid of one of them.
We are off to the pub. Hey Kyle. Yeah. What are you doing with your bike? Oh. We are on the way. Kyle just wants to check the letterbox quickly. We're going to go to the pub. Have a pub meal. Kids, new kids area at one of the pubs for Kyle to play with some kids. Our friends are coming and they're going to bring their kids. Quick Kyle, get it, get it. Get the mail. Emma's saying my trees. Well, that gate's getting noisy. My trees aren't growing. Nothing again.
Where is it?
Alright guys, we're on the way to dinner. We're going to a new area for Kyle to play. We got a new kids area. So we'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Kyle?
Bye.
But, hey, Spider-Man.
Oh,
Look at me.
bye.